Need a birthday present for kids? AnyHill UM-3 is probably it. Aimed at children aged between 6 and 12, the UM-3 is sure to mesmerize your young one with its stunning colors and comfortable handling, which could lead to hours of fun. With reflective strips for visibility, shock absorbers, and a low deck, you're sure of your children's safety when riding one. Better still, AnyHill UM-3 lightweight aluminum frame is both portable and durable. The scooter is light, easy to fold, mobile, and easily placed in the trunk, with only a slim body that is only 1.3 inches in thickness and weighs approximately 16.5 pounds. The battery pack adopts a new design and process. It integrates the 2.4 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, controller, and BMS intelligent battery control system into one module. It can run at a safe speed of 9.3 miles per hour through its 150-watt brushless hub, motor assisted by 6 inches of solid tires, handbrake, and foot brake. The UM-3 is operated using a thumb throttle and has moderate resistance and responsiveness, which is convenient for riders to control the driving speed and fully enjoy the fun of driving. Kids deserve to experience all the joy at a young age, and the AnyHill UM-3 opens a new exciting way of adventure for them. Get yours now and have it delivered right to your doorstep. You can buy it from us at the lowest price guaranteed with free shipping and no sales tax outside Wyoming. Simply click on the link down in the description below, or you can contact us at 800-590-2738. Experience paradise at electricbikeparadise.com.